Another quick tip for beginners: when you're working with a scene where you want to work with multiple nodes and their parameters at the same time, you can do that by clicking this tiny drop down and clicking on Split Panes left right. This splits the parameter editor into two panes. So we'll do the same with the network editor. Now right click on this pin here and click 1. We'll do the same with its corresponding network editor. We'll repeat this here, but this time right click and click on 2. Now all the ones are linked together and all the twos are linked together. So when I dive into a node here in the network editor with 1, that node's parameters will be shown in the parameter editor with the same number, that is 1. That's the whole logic behind these numbers. And you can use this to compare two nodes and their parameters if you want to use similar values for two similar nodes in different networks or anything that requires a compare or contrast. So you can add as many panes as you like, linking them together with the same number. If you want to go back, you can just click Reload Current Desktop from here and it goes back to the original workspace. You can save the desktop by going here and clicking Save Desktop As, giving it a name of your choice, and you can find the saved desktop in the drop down menu here. Now if you want to go back, you would click Reload Current Desktop as we did earlier, but that will reload the same desktop because now we have it saved. So to go back, you have to select a different desktop like Build, which is the default workspace. So yeah, that's a mini tip from the series Houdini Minis. This was There's a Note for That, and I will catch you in my next video.